Hey, welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to change an engine air filter. So it's a DIY, do it yourself. We need a T20 in this particular application, the screw heads that hold the compartment down. We'll identify which ones we have to take loose and make sure there's no obstructions, and we can go ahead and loosen all the screws up and then pry the compartment for the air filter open and access it. So once we've identified what we have to take loose, we'll go ahead and turn them to the left and we'll loosen each and every one of them. And this particular application, the screws are what they call captured, so the screws will stay on the housing without falling loose or falling down into the compartment. They won't come out. Once we've loosened all of them, we'll go ahead and pry it open to access the filter. As you can see, there's another screw or two that are loose, so just take your time, or still tight. Take your time and loosen up little by little. No hurry. Do it right the first time. Now we got access to the old filter. While you're in there, just see if there's any debris inside of the compartment. Sometimes leaves or other things. You can wipe it down, or you can go ahead and vacuum it out, what have you. And this one is pretty clean inside. Filters, you see the new filter compared to the old filter is nice and clean. This one has a different type of application. They have an extra filter on top of it. Now we'll just identify that they're the right fit, that we got the right part for this car, and then we'll go ahead and insert the filter into the housing. And once we do that, we'll make sure that it sits in there just right, and we'll go ahead and put the cover back on for the upper half of the housing. And to the right, we'll just start all the screws little by little, and then once you've started each and every one of them, and then you'll go ahead and continue to tighten them down. You don't have to over tighten these. Give them a nice little snug fit, and remember, it's just plastic, and make sure that it seals correctly, though. It's very important that you don't get any dust and dirt that isn't going through the filter. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this will help you put your own engine air filter in your car. Have a good day. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.